Collaboration is key for this new age of dynamic workers. To solve problems and get answers, people on the front lines need access to expert knowledge in real time. Remote experts see exactly what the worker sees, so they can provide the best guidance. Webex Expert on Demand for Glass Enterprise Edition 2 from Google delivers this innovation to the frontline workforce anywhere, anyplace, to truly open up the possibilities for hybrid collaboration. Connecting people for manufacturing, repairs, healthcare, inspections, remote training, and anywhere you can imagine. Glass, a wearable device by Google, powers hands-free video and audio communication, packed with computing power, lightweight and efficient. Log in quickly and securely, and use a touchpad or voice commands to search, navigate, and get instant access to help and guidance. Join Webex meetings from anywhere. Webex Expert on Demand lets remote experts see exactly what the frontline worker sees on live video, share their own screen, add annotation, and even pull in more experts on the fly. Together, you can focus on what matters most. Connect with experts in real time. Collaboration from anywhere.